Welcome to the instructions video for the Hydraulic Conductivity Interactive Calculator. This tool helps you calculate groundwater flow parameters using Darcy's law, which describes how water moves through porous materials like soil and rock formations. To use this calculator, you'll need to select which variable you want to solve for. You can calculate hydraulic conductivity K, discharge velocity, hydraulic gradient, or cross-sectional area. Let's work through an example. First, select the parameter you want to find from the drop-down menu. Then enter your known values in the input fields. For instance, if you know the discharge velocity is 0.005 meters per second, the hydraulic gradient is 0.02, and the cross-sectional area is 2 square meters, enter these values in their respective fields. The calculator will instantly compute the hydraulic conductivity coefficient. Results are displayed below with appropriate units, helping you understand groundwater flow characteristics for your engineering project. We have thousands of other free engineering calculators on our website. Head over and check them out.